Hello, it's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts, and I'm here to do a St. Patrick's Day craft with you today. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button and you'll be able to see all the videos I've created just for you. Okay, so today's craft is a fairly simple one, and you may have these items at your home already. So I'll show you what you need. So we are doing painting today, so you will need green paint or white paint, depends on what color paper you choose. You'll need a piece of paper. For today's video, for today's craft, I chose white. I just chose a piece of white, 8.5 by 11 paper. And then we're going to paint with a cookie cutter. So I have my shamrock cookie cutter. This is what we're going to use to paint with today. So I put my paint, my green paint, onto my paper plate, and it's all ready for me. And then I'm going to use my cookie cutter to make prints. This is a simple, fun craft. So you just take your cookie cutter and you dip it into your paint. And I'm like moving it around in a circle so that all edges of the cookie cutter have paint on it. And if I bring it close, you can see it. There's the paint. All right, now, this is simple. You just do shamrock prints on your paper. So I'm going to point this down to show you. That way I can use my full hand to press. I get my full shamrocks. Oh yes, that one turned out great. And you can just put as many on your paper as you want. And you can turn them all different directions. And like I said before, if you have a green piece of paper and white paint, that would look beautiful too. If you have a yellow piece of paper and green paint, that would look nice too. There's no right or wrong way to do this craft. And everyone's is going to turn out their own way. You can count shamrocks as you put them on your paper. You can count how many you're making. This is kind of messy though, because if you touch the paint, you'll get paint on you. It's okay, it's fun. Then you can put them on top of each other, as you see I'm doing. And when it dries, you can turn this into a St. Patrick's Day card if you want to write a message on the back. Give it to somebody. They can hang it up on their refrigerator. I think I'm going to just do one more up here at the top. I'm going to turn it around a different direction. And then I'll hold my picture up and show you. Other ways to make this more fancy would be if you wanted to put glitter, gold or green glitter, that would be very special. I will hold mine up and show you my shamrock picture. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the craft for today. And come back next time for a craft or a story from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts. Thanks.